This is how to change the engine air filter on a 1998 to 2006 Chevrolet pickup truck, full size. So there's a meter on it here that's vacuum operated, and it'll eventually get down to the red. That orange line goes down to the red, and then that's when you need to replace your air filter. We're going to do it anyway because it's been enough time, and we figure we might as well clean it out. So there are 4 bolts around it that you can get with a Phillips or regular screwdriver, and you just unscrew those 4 bolts, and don't worry about them coming out. They're stuck in the lid, so you're not going to drop them in the engine. And then it snorkels up, and there's enough flexibility where you can lift up the lid and then pull the air cleaner out for inspection. Check it out, see how dirty it is. In our case, it's actually pretty clean, but even a clean filter looks dirty, so we're going to replace it. And then you reset the wear meter by pushing the button on the end of it, and it pops the orange line back up into the green zone. And there's some leaves and bugs and things in the airbox, so we vacuum clean the airbox before we replace the engine air filter, just to make it extra clean, and then put the new one in with the rubber side and the metal venting side up, and then just put the lid back on, lining up all 4 bolt holes on all 4 corners, making sure they're lined up. Start them with your fingers, and then there's one there, there's one there, one there, and one there. So just make sure you tighten up all 4 corners. Don't have to go super tight on that, just enough to hold the rubber down. So once those are screwed down, you are done. Shut the hood.